How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here with the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and this would be the final for my Bilge group build my ride. And this is what I started with. This was the Fujimi Enthusiast Series Porsche 356a Speedster competition. And yes, this is a car that I would love to own, that would never ever be able to afford. So this is the one y'all voted on, and here we go. There she is. Got a little fitment issues on the hood, but altogether than that, she come along pretty good. The paint's better than what it is right now. It's got smudge marks from my grubby fingers on it right now. But there's a side view. There's a view of the cockpit. And you can also remove that. And you can see inside there. See the dash. You can see the pedals down there, I think, maybe. But put that thing back on there. Alright, that's with the tonneau cover. Just take that off. There's the engine. Got it all wired. Those wheels are beautiful. You see the hubs real good. The bolts. There's the front. Take that hood off there. Alright. You can see the battery down in there. Gas tank. Like I said, the paint's still in good shape. It's not glue marks or nothing. It's just smudge from my finger. It just needs to be cleaned up. But there she is. There's the underneath. Put this stuff back on here for one last turn. There you go. I'll turn it around here. Alright, this was my final for the Build Your Ride video. Thank you.